great. And I'm really proud of her. She's a fantastic artist. You know, my love for her is more than a breakup.
Yung still lang.
I love
Wala kang pumapalit sa kanya, sa puso mo.
my mom.
Hindi, ibang level yun, pero wala pa.
No, sorry.
Wala pa, meron na.
So, wala
Wala
pang
kang
love
pumapalit
life.
sa puso ni mo.
Wala kasi wala akong pinapayagan pumunta sa puso ko ngayon kasi focus ako sa career ko. And 2017 is gonna be a Kiko Estrada year.
So, hindi ka nang hinayang dito.
Oh, she looks beautiful there, dito lang. Well, well, before pa naman sexy na siya para sa mata ko. And alam ni Barang yan na I'm not into sexy. I'm into her, ito, pakita natin. Pwede ba natin pakita sa camera to?
Ay!
Well,
Nahulog yung phone mo, Arnie.
I'm so sorry. Well,
Dahil
kasi,
sa kiss.
alam, more than her sexiness. Kasi dati sexy na siya para sa akin. At hindi ko siya minahal dahil sexy siya. Minahal ko siya dahil matalino siyang tao. Caring siya. At gets niya ako, gets ko siya. Pero you know, it's the right love at the wrong time. At the end of the day, that's what happened eh.
Ang dami
Kasi,
niya pinalit sa'yo, apat na taon.
yun na nga, pero wala man akong pinapalit sa kanya.
Wow! Ano ba yan?
Bakit ayaw ka na niyang pag-usapan?
I don't know. I guess kasi may bago siyang show and it's better na hindi ako pag-usapan kasi para makafocus siya. Well, ganun din naman ako sa Mulawin eh. I'm not gonna, kumbaga I'm addressing the issues now, but after this siguro I won't talk about it because you know, Barbie deserves her privacy and I deserve my privacy too.
Pero parang bad breakup.
Bad breakup. Well, I can't say it's a good breakup because I didn't break up with her.
She broke up with you?
Well, siya na tanongin niyo dyan, pero hindi ako nakipag-break sa kanya and it's not my
Pero
fault.
Kiko, after that, hindi kayo nakapag-communicate, hindi ka na gumawa ng any
I did. I messaged her and of course because you know she did reply and may mga messages rin na hindi because I said Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. But of course she's busy and I understand it. You know.
Naramdaman mo na nasaktan mo siya.
How can I? Hindi ko alam kung paano ko siya nasaktan kasi ako yung iniwanan eh.
So ikaw ang nasaktan, feeling mo more than her?
I don't know how you're trying to imply it, but isn't it supposed to be the one who left you, yung naiwanan dapat yung mas masaktan? Kasi malabo lang yung point mo eh. You're just twisting it.
So diretso nasaktan ka sa breakup mo?
Sino bang hindi nasaktan sa breakup? Ikaw, hindi ka naman masaktan kung iniwanan ka ng mahal mo sa buhay.
Iisipang mo.
Okay. Pero
Ako rin, papag-isipan ko muna yun.
bakit ang short yung relationship?
Well, it doesn't matter if it's short or long. The only thing that matters is real. And it was really real. And you know, I love her. And she's cute and she's funny and I love her in that time span. Pero you know, I got to respect her decision and I'm so proud of her new teleserye and it's rating well and I wish her the best and she's a fantastic artist. And I told her that since before. And yeah, she's sexy now but you know, I love her before that. I loved her before that.
So Kiko, walang third part